Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to revoke permissions to our contacts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So to stop application from using our contacts, we have to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy menu here, and under Privacy we have Permission Manager. When we go here, we have quite a lot of permissions possible to change. So, in contacts, let's see what is allowed to use our contacts and what is not. Let's take Google for example. Do not allow. Yes. Don't allow to use my contacts. And as you can see, Google, Chrome disappeared. Google as well. Don't allow. Yes. Back out. And Chrome and Google lost permissions to use our contacts. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.